So good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Madam Manavi Ajit Singh, Administrative Officer, Public System Lab, United Nations One Food Program, and Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, Founder Chairperson, Udhav NGO, Founder and CEO, Udhav Enterprises. Honorable Professor Dr. Asit Guha, Sir, Chairman of Board of Governors, JIS School of Polytechnic, respected Sri U.S. Mukherjee, Sir, Deputy Director, JIS Group, Member of Board of Governors, JIS School of Polytechnic, respected principals, professors, media personnel, and dear participants. Good evening to all of you. On the behalf of Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India, myself, Dr. Savita Mishra, welcome you all in this virtual award ceremony and District Level Swachhata Action Plan workshop. Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, under the Ministry of Education in Government of India, it established in 1995, strives to promote resilient rural India through higher education interventions. MGNCRE designs, develops, and promotes curriculum inputs for higher education programs offered by universities and autonomous institutions in India. The higher educational streams of focus for MGNCRE include rural studies, rural development, rural management, social work, and education. The curriculum inputs are both theoretical and practical, field-related, relevant to rural India. Vision of MGNCRE is to involve higher education curriculum in India in the process of building resilient rural India, that is Utkrisht Gram for Unnat Bharat. Mission of MGNCRE is to formulate and recognize curriculum inputs and accredit courses and higher educational institutions which enable development of sustainable, climate and disaster resilient rural livelihoods. Swachh Bharat campaign was launched by the Government of India in 2014 to create the system of maintaining cleanliness 24/7 in all 365 days and enlivening this spirit in the communities and individuals. A strategy was proposed for bringing environmental sustainability to campuses of Indian universities and higher education institutions. Swachh Campus Initiative bids not only community hygienic but also public health in over 6,55,000 villages of India. Swachh Campus Manual for Swachhata ranking of higher education institution was released by Union Minister of Human Resource Development, Sri Prakash Javadekar ji, at the National Conference of Vice Chancellors of Universities and Directors of Higher Education Institutions held in New Delhi during 26 to 28 July 2018 on the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. This launch was a stepping stone for promoting participation of higher education institutions in sanitation, hygiene, and water conservation, which are national prime requisites for development. Along with education, Swachhata is the most precious lesson that can be learned in any educational institutions as it defines their personality. The Government of India had done Swachhata rankings as a measure to create peer pressure among educational institutions to first convert themselves into Swachh campuses and then spread the awareness and capacity to children of campus habitations. The Swachh Campus Initiative, envisaged by the Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Education for higher education institutions and universities, mirrors the principles of green institutions and endeavors to extend learning beyond the classroom to inculcate and develop responsible attitude, habits, and lasting commitment to Swachhta, be it at home, on the campus, or in the wider community. To promote rural social entrepreneurship and community engagement, Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education organizes workshops in all higher education institutions and universities. In the academic year 2021-22, we have organized workshops and district level competitions for being best district Swachh institution. Ministry of Education decided to award the higher education institutions in 400 districts of India for their exemplary Swachhta related work. This is called as One District, One Green Champion Award. For academic year 2020-21, from West Bengal, in 13 districts, 13 institutions have been selected for this prestigious Green Champion Award. From Nadia district, JIS School of Polytechnic has been selected for this prestigious District Green Champion Award. The institution has successfully set up the Swachhta Action Plan Committee, adopted and implemented best practices. Kindly, participants are requested to mute their audio. Prabhan Mukherjee. Okay, thank you. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. So, the institution has successfully set up the Swachhta Action Plan Committee, adopted and implemented best practices in the areas of sanitation, hygiene, waste management, water management, energy management, and greenery management. On this virtual award ceremony, today we are initiating Swachhta Action Plan through workshops for the academic year 2021-22 from Nadia district, West Bengal. After this, we will conduct workshops with individual institutions, with faculty members and students, and institutions will be selected for One District, One Green Champion Award for next academic year 2021-22. Once again, I welcome you all in this virtual award ceremony and district level Swachhta Action Plan workshop. Thank you all. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Madam Manvi Ajit Singh, Administrative Officer, United Nations World Food Program and Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, to hand over the prestigious District Green Champion Award to JIS School of Polytechnic, Nadia.
Thank you very much, Dr. Savita Mishra. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam, you are audible.
A very good evening to one and all present over here. I'll start by saying a quote that is given by Gandhi ji, that sanitation is more important than independence. It is a great honor for me to be a part of one-day workshop on Swachhta Mission Action Plan, One District, One Green Champion Award, organized by Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education. And this is a award function. So I'm very honored and delighted to give this award to JIS School of Polytechnic.
Yeah, I would like to invite Honorable Principal of JIS School of Polytechnic, Mr. Jayanta Mukhopadhyay, to receive the award from Honorable Chief Guest, Madam. Yes, please, sir.
I welcome you, sir. Mr. J. Mukhopadhyay.
Ma'am, thank you very much.
It is great honor And I think this has been very difficult for you to just encourage the students, and also being in the such a district of Nadia, West Bengal. So for whole of the district and from our heart, our faculty members, and also Sankar Jyoti ji. So everybody, congratulations once again, Principal Sir, congratulations. This
Thank
is
you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you, madam. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, madam, to bless us with few words. Yes, welcome, madam.
Thank you so much. So this was really very wonderful, and I think that students of Jesus School, also faculty members, then principal, and everybody would have worked very hard from their heart, because they not only think whatever I have seen them working, and I have been knowing these schools and campuses, they are really working hard for the purpose of multiple things. So I'll start again, and I'll say that as a nation, we know we have Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Or. So the awareness is being generated through these awards, and it is giving encouragement to the students, to the faculty, and other people, and giving the feeling to do something marvelous. And not only like, if we will just keep on giving these awards and encourage them with such pride and honor, I think this will go beyond our imagination. I was just going through some article, and I got to know, I was reading that 102-year-old lady was on a mission to clean up the country. Means 102-year-old. So she was Ahmedabad based Rama Mali, and she has proven that there is no such age to do some cleanliness or good work. On her 100th birthday, she started the cleanliness drive at Kalupur, inspired by Gandhiji. Mali spread awareness by distribution of pamphlets and made sure that the people uses dustbin in her locality. So I encourage all the students to be the strength and the part of cleanliness. Cleanliness and order are not matter of instinct. They are matter of education, and like most great things, you must cultivate this culture in your heart. And with these words, once again, I congratulate Jesus School, MGNCRE, Ministry of Education for this event, and hope that this goes on and on. I have been working in rural development area since 2011, and it was a great honor and pleasure to be working with them. At our NGO Udbhava, we go places, we inspire people, we talk to them, and Swachhata Abhiyan is one of the things that we take up. And I think that once you clean your home, you clean it because you belong there. You have that belongingness feeling inside you. So if you're cleaning your home, it is belonging to you. Then the society, India, the country, it also belongs to you. So once you are having that feeling, that belongingness in the India, in for your country, for your surrounding, then you will clean by yourself. And through these awards and ceremony, we are encouraging all them. So I just encourage them to be sustainable, also make people independent. And with these words, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam, for your motivating and inspiring words. So, ma'am, do you have any presentation to show us?
Right now, I don't have.
Okay.
And yes, but it was really very honorful for me because the moments, Dr. Savita, you are doing a marvelous job,
Thank
and
you.
organizing all these events is not an easy task. Principal sir and Shankar Jyoti sir and everybody who has given effort in this particular program, I will say congratulations, and also best of luck for the program ahead. I will be there for entire time.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you so
So,
much. Thank you.
now I would like to invite Sri Uday sir, Uday Mukherjee sir, Deputy Director, uh, to bless us with few words, sir.
Thank you, madam.